So beyond this magnificent beast, which happens to be the bane of most of my existence, let me show you what we got the other day. And it is fantastic. Found it on Marketplace. Yes, it is a coffin, which I certainly would have liked to have shown. I'm going to get this thing out of here. So, there it is. Apparently there is a matching hearse around here, but this was all painted up, pinstriped and all. We're going to turn it into a ice chest here. Put that rat fink on there. Somebody named Sunny and 09. So for 300 bucks, I don't think I could pass it up. I need a coffin like I need a hole in my head, which I definitely don't need. But behold the mighty ice chest. Maybe a barbecue too, who knows? I mean, it really sort of was never my intention to have a coffin for this thing, simply because, you know, to me it's more of a station wagon than it is a hearse. But, you know, it popped up, and I mean, how do you say no to that? It's got flames in it, for God's sake. So that'll be hanging around the house here, which I'm sure will be in my way, and it'll be on Marketplace again in 2 months. But it's almost Halloween, so I need it. So it is what it is.